A mobile device can keep you and other workers safe on the job site. Coming up next, 10 awesome workplace safety apps, Part 2. Hi, I'm Dan Clark of the Safety Brief, tackling health and safety hazards in today's demanding industrial and construction work sites, a service of Creative Safety Supply. Go to creativesafetysupply.com for 10% off. Use coupon code BIG10.
When you look at apps, let's face it, the reliability of the internet, especially if you're in the field, if it goes down, can you actually access the app? So working offline was a big plus.
That's Paul Colangelo, a safety expert who stared down 150 health and safety mobile apps to find the best.
Does it contain helpful information?
And good for many industries.
Construction, general, petrochem, maritime, things of that nature.
Paul is National Director of Compliance Programs at ClickSafety. We looked at 5 of his picks in the last podcast, the other 5 of his top 10 right now. All of these are free. 6, NIOSH Ladder Safety.
Their ladder app, I got to tell you, I don't know of a safety professional personally, any of my colleagues that don't have this app.
This one's directly from the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health.
Primarily works with extension ladders, and it's got some very helpful ladder inspection points.
It calculates ladder angles and has advice on ladder inspections.
Very universal in scale, no matter what industry that you happen to be working in, and very helpful tips for doing ladder inspections and checkpoints.
7, Fall Clear Light. This app calculates fall clearances.
It's not just enough to have the personal protective equipment, but we fail to determine the proper fall clear distance.
It's easy to input distances and has great graphics.
This particular app for free in US and metric use for iOS and Android, I think it was a big winner.
8, Ilo Ergonomic Checkpoints. It shows the right ergonomic postures.
How are we treating our bodies and our musculoskeletal disorders, and ergonomics is a big part of that.
It's for iOS and Android.
Anybody that's looking to design an ergonomics program for their company in terms of people that stand or lift or turn their bodies in certain ways, it just is a very user-friendly app.
9, Auditor for safety inspections. It provides custom inspections, reports, and audits.
Any sort of auditing, this app, as far as I'm concerned, I've used it for years. I know so many people in the industry out there that are using it.
It's the second most popular app that safety pros use.
Millions have used this app doing their inspection auditing. I want to say there's a database, maybe 50,000 or more templates that are available that people have actually shared.
2 platforms, iOS and Android.
It won a Tabby Award. There's actually a website out there. They review apps every year, and this particular app had won in 2 categories.
10, Osha Heat Safety Tool. It's not just any weather app. It gives the heat index, combining the temperature and humidity to give the effective temperature, and advises you what to do.
I don't know anybody in my industry that does not have this app on their smart device. OSHA came out with this a few years ago.
Info comes directly from the National Weather Service, or you can input conditions directly offline.
It's available in English and Spanish.
This one is the most used safety app by safety pros.
I also love the fact that it's got a great link to the OSHA website for any regulatory information that you need to access.
That's a wrap on the 10 apps, thanks to Paul Colangelo of ClickSafety, which is a learning company with 10 and 30-hour OSHA online courses. And what else?
Our website also has some very valuable tools as well in terms of e-learning and m-learning, like our free toolbox talks. Check it out at clicksafety.com.
That's all for this episode, 10 awesome workplace safety apps, Part 2. Come back for more ways to stay safety compliant in today's ever-changing landscape of safety requirements. I'm Dan Clark of the Safety Brief, a service of Creative Safety Supply. Save 10% off your entire order at creativesafetysupply.com with coupon code BIG10.